Look, day trading isn't magic, and it isn't gambling if you know what you're doing. Here's the real deal in a straight line. Day trading is simple in concept. You buy and sell a stock, crypto, or forex pair within the same day, aiming to profit from small price moves. Those tiny moves stack up if you manage risk like a grown adult. First thing, volatility is your fuel. You're not hunting long-term value, you're hunting movement. No movement, no money. Second, you need a strategy. Momentum, breakout, reversal, pick one and master it. Don't jump between 10 guru systems. One clean strategy beats a buffet of nonsense. Third, risk management is everything. Never risk more than 1-2% per trade. Set stop losses. Your job isn't to be right, it's to survive long enough to learn. Fourth, don't trade on emotion. If you're chasing losses, trading bored, hyped, or angry, the market will eat you alive. Discipline prints. Money emotion burns accounts. Fifth, journal every trade. Entry, exit, reason, emotion. Patterns in your own behavior are more valuable than any indicator. Day trading isn't easy, but it's learnable. Treat it like a skill, not a lottery ticket, and you'll avoid 90% of beginners' mistakes. If you want more guides like this, hit that subscribe button. I've got you.